Where are we going?
Yo, CJ, what did you eat for lunch?
Hey, I think we didn't go yet, man. Are we getting called?
That was dinner, right?
Lunch? Turkey?
I know what's for dinner. Chicken.
It's pretty good.
Not bad.
You testing out your camera?
Yeah, just make sure it works, you know.
Good idea.
I don't know, cause like I think I cracked my lens.
Can't wait to skate when I get home.
Snowboard.
Yeah. You know, I really like this girl, you know. She's really cool, you know. You know Elizabeth? Yeah, she's really sweet.
You sure you want to get this on camera?
It's alright. She's really nice. She's pretty sweet. Well, we should probably like go to the 5th floor now.
Right, right.
Come on, black man. 5th floor. You know, just to travel. Let's try the 4th floor. You know, the ladies, the ladies.
Exactly.
You know,
I'm
ladies.
starting to like this music.
Yeah, it's got a ring to it.
So, seen any good movies lately?
Transformers was really good.
The King of Airways. Not really.
That's cool. You know, your name sounds like a transformer. Like, this is my weapon specialist, Engineer. Yeah, you transform.
Transformers.
Robots in disguise.
They didn't say that the entire movie.
You know, we should probably go to the 4th floor.
I pressed 4.
No, that's racist.
I pressed 4 and 2. It was highlighted.
I hope the girls get on.
I really am getting into this music right now.
You guys want to stay on the floor?
If only.
Yo, call Sophia or something. Get her down into the elevator.
Shit, my cell phone. Someone give me a phone. Hey, Sophia, it's on yours, right? I'm
Yeah.
Sophia, oh, we're waiting for you.
Oh, shit.
We can do it.
Probably wondering what the fuck we're doing.
I have to call Sophia.